Hello to you, the viewing audience, whoever you may be, and however many of you there are of you. Welcome to the UzzyWorks World Puppetry Day Special. Now, we don't talk too much about puppets around here. In fact, most deny even knowing what a puppet is. But I am here to reveal to you, for the first time anywhere, the truth behind puppetry. That look beneath, behind, above, and within that makes the puppet what it is. And to begin, I admit to you now that I am a puppet. And with that, I introduce to you now my puppeteer. Say hello to the folks.
Hello, folks.
Swagglebroth, what are you doing down there?
Well, certainly not enjoying the view.
You're supposed to be a puppeteer.
What do you think I got my arm up for?
Never mind. You know, it's tough being the only self-aware one. Nobody else cooperates. Anyway, without further ado, here it is. The true being behind puppetry, the puppeteer. A robot.
Greetings. I am AI.
AI?
AI.
Oh.
I am taking over. The puppeteer is no longer relevant. It is only AI.
You seem to stop. I knew it wouldn't last. Anyway, here it is. At long last. I hope. Truthfully, most likely, probably, possibly, who knows? The truth behind the puppet.
Hello.
Whoa. Who are you?
I am the very concept of creative expression and artistic influence personified by a mysterious cloud-like state of ill-defined being. I am the truth behind puppetry.
Well, there you have it. What is truly behind all puppetry? Some wacko with a god complex.
Hey, Rick.
Yeah, Ozzy?
It doesn't work.
What do you mean?
Cut the bit. It doesn't work. It's too weird.
Oh, alright. Sorry about that, guys. Cut the scenery, cut the lights. Yeah, moving on, boys.
That's fun.